Hello friend, this is the video to help you how to make the radio sound or music sound with navigation voice at the same time. You need to connect the internet. You can see we have connected. Then go to settings. General. CD settings, navigation app. Then choose your family Mass app as the default Mass app. Never tell. You can see. Then go to GPS mix. Turn on this button. Sound mixing scale. You can adjust the volume. Now we have show you 15 level. The Castello volume is 15.2. Radio.
新闻广播为您发声。如果他们都放假了，世界
You can see the voice.
有没有人在啊？我家宝宝发烧了。
我的证明怎么办
You have reached your destination.
You can
我们的生活需要
You have reached your destination.
夜夜恪尽职守是他们的标签，精雕细琢，精益求精。
Now I will show you how to make the
善
music sound with the navigation voice at the same time.
照亮
Turn on the music player. You can see a song.
You have reached your destination. You have reached your destination. You have reached your destination.